It all started the day I read a crazy statistic. The average person earning $50,000 a year loses about $7,000 annually just through impulse decisions. Not bills, not emergencies, just emotional spending, food deliveries, flash sales, and those treat-yourself moments that silently drain the future. That number shook me, because that meant I wasn't broke. I was just unplanned. So, I tried what everyone says, tracking expenses. But after 2 weeks, I gave up. Why? Because budgets built on guilt never work. They make you feel punished for wanting coffee, not empowered for buying it. The turning point came when I realized something no one tells you. A good budget isn't about restriction. It's about intention. I stopped asking, where did my money go? And started asking, where do I want it to go? That's when I built what I call the emotion-first budget. Before writing a single number, I asked myself, what do I truly value? Travel, freedom, security. For me, it was peace. The peace of knowing I could afford a surprise bill or take a weekend trip without stress. I assigned every dollar a job that aligned with those emotions. That psychological trick alone made me 40% more consistent than any app I'd used before. Studies even show that when you attach emotion to goals, your brain's reward system, the dopamine circuit, actually reinforces the habit longer. But there's a deeper trap I had to escape. The someday illusion. You know, the voice that says, I'll save more when I earn more. Reality check? If you can't manage $500, you'll never manage $5,000. Wealth isn't built on income. It's built on behavior. So I created a rule. No matter how much I earned, 10% was mine to save first. I automated it. Invisible money is unspendable money. Within 6 months, that tiny rule gave me $2,000 of guilt-free breathing room. But here's where things got interesting. Once I saw progress, temptation came roaring back. I wanted to reward myself. And this is where most people break their budgets, because the brain mistakes progress for permission. I built a defense mechanism, the 24-hour rule. Every non-essential purchase had to survive a single day of waiting. 80% of the time, the urge vanished. And the remaining 20%? Those were the purchases I actually enjoyed guilt-free. Now, I could end here. But there's one final piece that ties it all together. Identity. I stopped telling myself, I'm trying to stick to a budget, and started saying, I'm a person who respects my money. It sounds small, but the shift was massive. When your actions match your identity, discipline feels natural, not forced. So if you've ever wondered why your budget fails, it's not because you're weak, lazy, or bad with numbers. It's because you built it without a story. Money doesn't obey numbers. It obeys meaning. Build a budget that tells your story, one that reflects your values, protects your peace, and rewards your progress. Because when your money starts working for you instead of against you, that's not just budgeting. That's freedom. And if you're still watching, that means you're ready. Not to budget, but to become someone who never has to fear their bank balance again.